Hi, everyone. Who's excited to talk about title insurance? As you guys may or may not know, that is actually my signature quote when I go to networking events. But today I'm here to tell you guys about how to use our app to get a title quote. So let's get into it. Cue that intro. So today we're going to talk about how to use our app in order to get a title quote. It is a web-based app that can be used for realtors, lenders, or anybody in our industry, or really any of our customers as well. But there's a quicker way for our clients to just get a quote on our website. So I'll go a little bit more into detail about that, but realtors and lenders, this is for you. We wanted to create and provide an app that was going to be useful for our partners in the real estate industry. We wanted to make sure that we provided you guys with tools that are going to help make your job easier at the end of the day. So that's exactly what we did. We looked up all of the different apps that we could get. We wanted to make sure that we got the app that was easy to read, easy to share, easy to understand, and easy to use. So all of those things matter, and that makes it easier for you guys to provide valuable information for your clients. So let's get into exactly how you utilize our app. I'm going to be showing you guys today the web-based version of it, but there is a way to add it onto your phone. If you take the same steps on your cell phone, you're able to save that web browser to your home screen on your phone, and then you're able to utilize the app just as you would on the web. It is an amazing feature and it's very mobile friendly. So let's get into exactly what our app does. Okay, guys, so we are going to talk about our app today, and I'm really excited to show you some of the things that we have. So first off, we're starting with our website here, which if you don't have a direct invite to our app, this is one of the easiest ways that you can get to it. So you'll be on our webpage, which is aerotitelesvcs.com, located right up here. And this is what you'll see. You'll see our introduction page, and you can have our links to our Facebook, our Instagram, and our YouTube page. But right here, you'll see this big button that says get a quote. Now, for your clients, if they want to get a quote, they can get a quote instantly right here, and it will actually pop up a little thing for them to calculate it. Or if you are a realtor or lender, you can access our app and get your own login so that you guys can utilize this app on your phone and on the go as much as you need. So when I click this, it brings us to our account. Now, I already have an account here, as you can see. So when you click that, and if you don't have an account, it will prompt you to make an account. It only takes a minute. I will sign out really quick just so you can see what that kind of looks like. You can see here, no account, sign up here for free, what that looks like right here. You just put your email, you create a password, you put your first and last name, your company, and you would assign your title agent. You can just put me, Lucie McGuire, and then you just put whether you're a real estate agent, lender, or a home buyer, seller, attorney, or other. And then you click sign in and it brings you right into the sign up page. So it will keep your sign in information. And what's really nice about this aspect is that you will get your own profile. And now what you can do on your profile is you'll be able to see there's these different tools that we have. So we have title quotes, which is just your normal quote that you're going to get. There's a loan estimate quote. There's closing disclosures quote. Now those are just regular quotes. Now we have sections for sellers and for buyers. And for sellers, you can do a seller net sheet, you can do a sell to net, you can do a seller's multiple offers. For buyers, you can do the buyer estimate, you can do monthly affordability, you can do rent and first buy. There's so many amazing tools with this app, and I'm going to have to do separate videos for each of those for sellers and for buyers, because there's so much information that you can do with it that I don't want to inundate this one video with all of that information. But we're going to go over the basic title quote today. And what's really cool is when you have a profile, you're able to go here, put in any property location. So let's say southeast north. Okay, so like here's a address in Port St. Lucie. So then you would just click this and it'll autofill that. Now it's going to ask you if there's any condo a number that's applicable to that. You can do purchase with financing. You can just do cash, or you can do refinancing. So I'm going to do purchase with financing because that's what a lot of properties are. Then you can put in the sales price. So let's say the sales price is $180,000, right? And then let's say the loan amount, it's going to be $150,000. And then you can actually put if you have a prior policy for title insurance. So if you have a title insurance policy from 3 years ago or less than 3 years ago, then you are entitled to a discount. And we can always give you more information on that as the time comes, but we just wanted to, we have that option as well in here. So now here you're gonna choose whether the seller is paying or the buyer is paying for title, or if it's a 50-50 split. So in this case, we're going to keep it as seller pays, and you're not going to be able to see the manually adjust title fees. That for me shows up because I am an admin. But if there's anything that needs to be specifically edited and you want it edited, you can always reach out to me, Lucie McGuire, and I will help you in fixing it specifically. But there's things on here, and I'll show you what this looks like. So it breaks this down so nicely. I love this app and how much it actually breaks things down for your customer. So what's amazing about it is the fact that this now gives you a quote, and now you're able to, you can save this so that you can go refer to it back later. You can edit it. You can email it to yourself. You can email it to your client. You can print it. And it looks really great. So like, let's go to the print PDF. So this is what it will look like when you're just sending it out. So this is what it will look like on email. This is what it will look like if you're printing it. So it's really great. So it shows you the title quote, shows you the address, shows you, what type of transaction it is. It shows you the sales price and everything. So it shows you the county, city. It's pretty great, and loan amount. So all the details are at the top. And then it also has all of my information here. So if you guys ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any point in time, and I would be happy to assist you in figuring out our app. But it's very easy and user-friendly, and that's what we wanted to make sure we were getting and providing when we got this app. We wanted to make sure it was going to be the quickest and most effective app that you're going to be able to use. So it breaks it down here. Closing fee, that's our closing fee. The owner's title insurance, the lender's title insurance. So lender's title insurance is always going to be on the buyer's side because that lender's title insurance is for the lender itself, which is for the buyer. The survey fee, if a survey is needed, the HOA and estoppel fee. So you'll see there are fees here that are only applicable depending on where you are. So a municipal lien search is only allotted in St. Lucie County, or required in St. Lucie County. Since this property is in St. Lucie County, it is going to be applicable for this. If it's in Martin County, you don't require a lien search. Now, we have a whole video on lien searches, so you guys can learn more about that if you'd like. Pretty much lien searches are attached to the property in Port St. Lucie, so that's why we have to do a lien search. Then there is the HOA and estoppel fee. So that's only if you're in an HOA community. If you're not in an HOA community, then this fee will not apply to you. But with all of our fees that we have on here, we always do the worst case scenario because we want to make sure that you guys understand that this is the absolute max, and it's an estimate at the end of the day. So if you guys are saving money, nobody's going to be mad about saving money, right? So we just do that to be safe. We have our title search fee, and then all of these other things. So you can see, the recording fees and tangible taxes, like all of this, the doc stamps, these are all government mandated. And actually, so is title insurance itself. That is something that is state regulated, and we have no control over what this costs. I just want you guys to know that. And you can also check out our video on what is title insurance, and that will give you a better overview of exactly what title insurance does for you. But then it does a whole, what I love is it does a whole grand total for each side so that each side knows what they're paying. So I'm going to go back to the quote over here. Now you can email this. So if you wanted to email this to yourself, and then you send the email. Let's say that was your client, and then done. Now your client has an email, and I just got it on my phone, the email. This is a really great tool to just be able to get a quick estimate of what title insurance is going to cost for your client. We highly encourage you guys to use this. It is an amazing platform that can help you, and you can actually get it onto your phone as well. It's a web-based app that you can have on your phone. It's completely user-friendly, and it's great. So let's see. You can save this, and you can save it as however you want. So let's say, you know, you're a realtor and this is one of your clients. Let's say your client's name is Hannah. So Hannah's quote. So you can save this. Done. Now it's labeled as Hannah's quote. You can put the address if you wanted, but the address will be right there. So now let's go back. Like, let's say we're looking at our new thing and we're in our profile, and we can go to our saved quotes here. So you can see right here, this was a quote. I clicked on it, and now it brings me back to the quote. And then if something changed, like let's say the price of the selling price of the house changed, I would go to edit. I would say it's now 190,000. Loan amount's going to be the same, and then recalculate. And then it gives you the updated price, and then you can resave it as updated quote. So it's a really, really amazing, quick, easy platform that is great to use. We highly recommend our clients using this, and it is meant to make your jobs easier at the end of the day. As I mentioned in the beginning of that little tutorial of our app, I did mention that we have a lot of different aspects that you guys can utilize on that app. This is going to be part one of a mini series to show you guys our app so that you guys can utilize it to its fullest capabilities. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys have absolutely any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Lucie McGuire, Arrow Title Services, and I will put my contact information in the description of this video. So make sure that you guys reach out to me if you have absolutely any questions. I'd be happy to help so that you guys can utilize this amazing feature that we have for our partners in real estate. And make sure you stay tuned to see those other videos about how you can utilize it best for your sellers and for your buyers. If you have never been here before, make sure that you guys subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we want to make sure that you guys truly understand what title insurance does for you guys. So make sure to check out our other videos. We have so many amazing, informative videos to help you guys through the real estate process. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. If you need anything, give us a call. Thank you for watching. Bye.